Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning on the speed limit and speedometers for your navigation on Google Maps. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open Google Maps and then tap your profile icon from the top right of the screen. On the pop-up, select Settings. Under the Getting Around section, select Navigation. Scroll down to Map Display, and you will see the option to show speed limits while navigating. If you are on Android, the option to show the speedometer, which displays your current speed, is here too, but this feature isn't available on iPhones. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Google Maps tips and tricks.